Mabuhay! Good day everyone! Me and my groupmates will discuss the topic about engaging consumers and communicating customer value, integrated marketing communication strategy. So here's the objective outline. Number 1 is define the 5 promotion mix tools for communicating customer value. Number 2 is discuss the changing communications landscapes and the need for integrated marketing communications. Number 3 is outline the communication process and the steps in developing effective marketing communications. Number 4 is explain the methods for setting the promotion budget and factors that affect the design of the promotion mix. So here's the introduction. Building good customer relationships calls for more than just developing a good product, pricing it attractively, and making it available to target customers. Companies must also engage consumers and communicate their value propositions to customers, and what the communication not be left to chance. All communications must be planned and blended into carefully integrated programs. Just as good communication is important in building and maintaining any other kind of relationship, it is a crucial element in a company's efforts to engage customers and build profitable customer relationships. So ang sa pag-build og relationship sa mga customers, dili lang ka magama og kitay mga product, dili lang imong panaysan ang forma ana pagamian ang presyo. Need po ka mo communicate them in by means of using the technology, because we are the technologies in the world is upgrading. It's important to also use that in communicating to the customers and persuading them to buy your products. Promotion mix. Promotion mix, also called marketing communications mix, is the specific blend of promotion tools that the company uses to persuasively communicate customer value and build customer relationship. So ang promotion mix di ay kay mo na ang methods nga gamiton sa pakipag-communicate sa mga customers para magani sila nga mopalit sa imong gibaligya nga product. Na siya klase-klase nga tools nga gamiton, and we will discuss it further. So here's the 5 major promotion tools that used by other businessmen. First is advertising. Any paid firm of non-personal presentation and promotion of ideas, goods, or services by an identified sponsor. So ang advertising di ay kay mo ni pinaka-common nga gigamit sa mga businessman, businesswoman, sa mga kumpanya man, pinaka-common nga gigamit nila kay pwede man siya ipagawa sa TV, pwede po madungog sa radio, pwede po sa cellphone. So kanang example ani kay kanang mga McDonald's, kanang Jollibee advertisement, daghan. Then next is sales promotion. Sales promotion is a short-term incentives to encourage the purchase or sale of a product or a service. So ang sales promotion di ay kay mo na siya kanang short-term lang nga more siya benefit sa customer, like kaya nang siya shopping nga naa sila 5/5 sale, kanang mga sale, mga napuna sa mall kanang mga 20% discount nga. Then o makakita sila nga na mo makaganin nila og palit sa product. Then personal selling. Personal selling is a personal presentation by the firm's sales force for the purpose of engaging customers, making sales, and building customer relationship. So ang personal selling di ay kay mo dunay direct na interaction between sa seller o sa buyer. So ikaw mo mismo mabaligya para ikaw mo ganisa kanang sa mga customer nga mopalit sa imong product. Then dili lang po na siya para mopalit lang, pwede po na siya maka-build kag nice nga relationship sa mga customers, like iganahan sila sa imong pag-upsell sa imong product. Next is public relations or PR. Public relations is building good relationship with the company's various publics by obtaining favorable publicity, building up a good corporate image, and handling or heading off unfavorable rumors, stories, and events. So ang public relations kay imuhang relasyon sa public, sa ubang tao. Then dapat makita nila nga ang imuhang business kay or imuhang kumpanya kay na ay good reputation kay mo kapra musalig sila mopalit sa imuhang product. Then kuan na sila kanang public relations kay usa sa na kanilang paghandle sa makita sa ilang paghandle sa mga rumors like kintahi lang product kintahi kay maunid maglain siya nga product na doubt ani na problema ani, makita na siya sa paghandle lang din sa direct and digital marketing. Direct and digital marketing is engaging directly with carefully targeted individual consumers and customer communities to both obtain an immediate response and build lasting customer relationship. So ang direct and digital marketing kay sagol na like na kay direct contact sa mga customers para nang manghatag ka og flyers kanang leaflets, manghatag ka mga papel-papel nga about sa imong product para magani sila nga magpalit. Ang digital kay kanang well obviously with the use of technology. So magamit po sa technology kanang mga ad campaign, mga content marketing, pwede po na depends na nila kung saan nila pa gamit para maila ilang product o magka-build sila lasting nga relationship sa mga customers.
Integrated marketing communication. Integrated marketing communication is a really hot topic these days. No other area of marketing is changing so quickly and profoundly. A big part of the reason is the huge surge in the customers' engagement through digital media online, mobile, and social media marketing. So major factors that change the face of today's marketing communication. Consumers are changing, marketing strategies are changing. Sweeping advances in the digital technology are causing remarkable changes in the ways companies and customers communicate with each other. So karon is sa una kung mag-promote sila product is magamit pa sila mga flyers or newspaper. At karon kay tungod sa technologies mas napadali na nila ang pag-promote sa product kay pwede na nila i-post sa online or commercial sa TVs. Gamit pa sila mga mobile. Muna kalahian sa una sa karon mo ang changes and then content marketing, creating, inspiring, and sharing brand messages and conversation with and among consumers, of course, a fluid mix of paid, earned, and shared channels. So, ang content marketing is paghatag og kanang mga good feedback or inspiring message about anang product para mas daghan ug ma-attract nga customers. And the integrated marketing communication, carefully integrating and coordinating the company's many communication channels to deliver a clear, consistent, and compelling message about the organization and its product. It means nga pag-coordinate sa mga pag-coordinate sa good communication para ma-deliver ang clear messages sa organization ka ng product para nagkakanog ka ng ma-attract nga consumers or buyers.
So, developing effective marketing communication. Elements in the communication process and its applicative to the McDonald's. First, sender. The party sending the message to another party. Example, McDonald's. Second is encoding. The process of putting through into the symbolic from. Example, for example, McDonald's and agency symbols, words, sounds, and illustrations into a TV advertisement that will convey the intended message. So third is the message, the set of the symbols that the senders transmits. The fourth is the media, the communication enhanced through which the message moves from the sending to the receiver. In this case, television are the specific program that the McDonald's select dictionary decoding. So the process of the decoding by which the receiving assign meaning to the symbol encoded by the sender and the consumer which the McDonald's commercial and interprets the words and image it contains. Receiver, the party receiving the message sent by another party. For example, the customers who whether to buy in the McDonald's response. So the reaction of the receiver after being explored by the message. So any of the hundred of the possible response, such as the consumer when the McDonald's better so feedback, the part of the receiver's response communicated both to the sender. For example, McDonald's research consumers are either searched by the members and the emails of the McDonald's. So the last is the noise, the unplanned static or distribution during the communication process which results in the receiver executing the reference measure of the sender.
Steps in developing effective marketing communication. Number 1 is identify the target market. Importante siya kay dapat nimo mahibaw og kinsa jud imong possible customers, kinsa mo'y possible nga mogamit ana nga product kay para sayon na siya inagpagama og marketing nga effective jud siya. Then number 2 is determining the communication objectives. So imuhang i-determine og para asa na siya unsay purpose ana nga communication, marketing communication. Buyer readiness stages is the stages consumers normally pass through on their way to a purchase. So kaning buyer readiness stages mao'y agianan og asa sila magsugod sa process sa pagpalit sa og product. Then kinaunahan ana kay awareness kahibaw sila nga naay product nga ingana. The knowledge need sila mahibaw og unsa din naa nga product. Then liking inakuman nila sa knowledge basig maganahan sila kay nice day kuno ni siya. Then preference, so nasa preference nga ganahan sila but nasa preference nga gipangita like mas ganahan ko inganin ni siya kadako, mas ganahan ko inganin ni siya ang lami, so ingana. Then convict, and finally actual purchase. So inakuman nila conviction mo actual purchase sila mo palit na sila. The next is designing a message. Imong designan imong message nga ang message nga gusto nimong i-share sa customers about sa ana nga product. Number 4 is choosing a communication channels and media. So inakuman nimo adto nga mga steps sa musunod ka aning pagpili og unsa nga communication channels or media imong gamiton. Din natay duha ka channels which is the personal communication channels ug non-personal communication channels. Ang personal communication channels through which two or more people communicate directly with each other, including face-to-face, on the phone, via email, or even through an internet chat. So ang personal communication amoy direct na contact sa usag-usa, pero anang face-to-face, sa cellphone, sa email, o anang mga chat. Then, ang non-personal communication channels is a media that carry messages without personal contact or feedback, including major media, atmospheres, and events. So kaning non-personal communication kay wakay direct contact sa kanang imong customers, wakay direct contact sa imong receiver, like para nang nagbaligya kag newspaper, wakay ba unsa ilang giingon to, or kaya kanagahatag kag leaflets o flyers din pag uli sa imong bahay kay ano ilang gibasa din wakay ba sa feedback, wakay ma-receive nga feedback gikan nila about sa imong product. Naay example sa personal communication channels which is the word of mouth influence and buzz marketing. Ang word of mouth influence is the impact of the personal words and recommendation of trusted friends, family, associates, and other consumers on buying behavior. So kana diayng mga nice nila nga feedbacks about sa imong product gikan gid sa imong amigo, kita maligya ka din imong amigo din hatag siya positive feedback, makagani po na siya kay mura na siya basihan sa mga tao sa pagpalit kay mahibawan po lang unsa jud kahinaan ang imong product. Then buzz marketing, cultivating opinion leader and getting them to spread information about a product or a service to others in their communities. So naay magkuha kag mga tao nga muhatag og information ana nga product sa inyong lugar kay para gani sila nga mopalit. Then number 5 is selecting the message source. So mupili ka og asa nimo isend ang message, asa nimo kuhaon. Then 6 is collecting feedback. So distribute na nimo atong message, then obvious man jud nga mangolekta jud ang feedback kay magdid man jud ana kay mo man basihan nato og ipadayon pa atong product, need ba ni improvement or mahal ba ang presyo, and og uban pa ana ta mo base sa ilang feedback nga ihatag.
Four common methods for promotion budget. First is the affordable method. It is an addictive that the affordability describes things you can afford to pay because they don't cost too much. So, muna yung mga butang nga kanang ay something ma-afford kayo na ma-afford sa isang company. It is the setting of promotion budget at the level management things the company can afford. So, kasagaran nila is mga small businesses nga kanang mga things nga kayo na ma-afford sa ilang company. Second is the percentage of the sales method. So, it is setting the promotion budget at a certain percentage of current forecasted sales or as a percentage of the unit sales price. I think, muna siya kung pila ka percent ang imong sale sa isa ka product, most na ilang ihatag nga percent sa promotional budget. Then, third is the competitive selling promotion budget. It is a method of setting a promotional budget in which no matter
market tries to match the expenditure of the competitors. So, selling proposition budget to match competitors outlays. Muna sila kung sa mga strategy sa Pikas or mga like mo spend sila 50% sa ilang product nga kuan dapat i-match sa nila tong kung pila ang gi-spend sa isa ka company. Next is the objective and task methods. So, objectives describes what you will ultimately achieve, while tasks are the key actions that shows how you will achieve it. So, muna siya, it is developing the promotion budget of defining specific promotion objectives. It is determining the task needed to achieve these objectives. And it is also estimating the cost of performing this task by the sum of the cost and the promotion budget. Once siya, more objectives means kanang nag-describe niyo siya kung unsa ang imong na-achieve. While the task is mga key actions na napakita kung giunsa nimo pag-achieve ang isa ka task. So ayun sa promotion strategies. First is the push strategy. Push strategy kanang muna siya it is where the business attempt to take their products to customers. Their goal is to use various marketing techniques or channels to push the product in order to be seen by the consumer starting out the point of purchase. So mo ni ang magamit sila mga channels or kalandayan nga strategies para ma-push nila ning ilahang product. So magamit sila mga advertisement, mga techniques para makita sa mga consumers ang ilahang mga product o para ganahan sa mga consumers mo-purchase sa ilang product. Sunod is the pull strategy. It is an advertising and mass media promotion, word of mouth, referrals, sales promotions, and discounts, and customer relationship management. So mga sad niyang mga advertising kanang magamit sila mga media promotions, word of mouth, mga referrals, sales promotions, magatag sila discounts sa mga consumers o relationship sa management. Kay mura sila magkano pagsalig sa tawo kanang dapat kamo ka mo manage sa imong customers para balik-balik ang imong mga customers. Also, ang pull strategy is mo-spend sa di sila kanang more money for advertising para sa ilang promotion para dali ra makita sa mga consumers.
And that's all. Thank you.